My name's Julie Cameron, and my husband and I own and operate the Meredith Dairy. The cheeses we make are fresh cheeses. They're made in a way, it's called lactic curd fermentation, so it's an overnight fermentation. Fresh cheese is incredibly versatile, and our number one cheese is a cheese which is fresh cheese marinated in Australian extra virgin olive oil and herbs and garlic. At Meredith Dairy, climate change is real. Our farm, our family, everything, it relies on a stable climate. So we put our hands on our heart and said we are going to try and do whatever we can to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. So we have a biomass electricity unit. It's called combined heat and power. So we produce hot water for the cheese factory and the dairies, and electricity that runs our whole enterprise. President's Medal is such a special award because it's unique. It's not just an award about a product or about something that you've created. It's a whole enterprise. So the three pillars of sustainability. So you're assessed on environmental, social, and also financial. And what I will say is you can't do anything without profits. So it's great to say, okay, there's an award for environment or there's an award for amazing product, but you actually have to have a true business behind you. And this President's Medal rewards people for that. So I think it's a unique award, and I think it's really special, and I just love being involved.